At number 5, we have the Backfire G2. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It offers impressive range, capable of covering up to 15 miles on a single charge. This electric skateboard features a powerful 400-watt hub motor, propelling riders to a top speed of 24 miles per hour. The deck is constructed from 8 layers of Canadian maple, providing durability and flexibility for a smooth ride. Equipped with 96mm wheels, the G2 handles various terrains with ease. The board's regenerative braking system enhances safety and extends battery life. A standout feature is the LED screen on the remote, displaying real-time speed, battery life, and riding modes. The G2 includes 3 speed modes, catering to riders of different skill levels. With its responsive acceleration and reliable performance, the Backfire G2 proves to be a solid choice for both commuters and skateboarding enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the X-Way Wave. The Wave stands out for its exceptional portability and versatility as a short electric skateboard. The board features a durable deck constructed